an image of themselves that really kind of landed for me.
I feel like I never really wear glasses in my video, but I literally just woke up and I'm eating breakfast, so we haven't put the contacts in yet. Anyway, I'm currently in LA. As you can see, the background is a little bit different than usual. I just got in yesterday, so I have just been settling in. I still need to kind of like unpack a few things in my Airbnb. I'm here for a few weeks. There's just like a couple work things that I need to do, but it's already been so nice being in somewhere with like sunlight and warm weather. Even the one day that I've been here, I'm already like, the serotonin levels are on an all-time high. But today I definitely want to catch up on some work. I have to work out. So I'm gonna do that and then hopefully have a productive day for the rest of the day. Workout complete. I took a shower, my hair is wet, and I'm just gonna get ready, do a little bit of makeup. Does anyone else like doing their makeup like sitting on the floor? I don't know what it is. It's just very comforting to me. I just finished my hair and makeup. As you can see, I had blow dried it earlier, like briefly, just to get it mostly dry. And then I gave myself a nice little quick blowout with my round brush. I just feel like my hair looks so healthy and shiny and bouncy right now. And that's mainly because of our lovely sponsor today, Function of Beauty. You guys have heard me talk about Function of Beauty before. Let me go grab my Function of Beauty from the shower right now. Hold on. They're a little bit wet still because I just took a shower. If you guys don't know about Function of Beauty, they have custom hair care systems. So this is the shampoo and conditioner, and everyone's hair is unique. They have different needs, different hair textures, hair types. So what you do is when you go on their website, you just need to fill out their quick little hair quiz, and it'll give you custom hair products that are meant for your hair type, and it's really, really awesome. So for me in particular, I have been really focusing on hydration, repair, because I do use heat on my hair, and then also just shine, which I feel like, you know, as you can see, it's been very successful. And you guys know I've been on this hair care journey for a really long time since I stopped bleaching my hair. So I just feel like it's been so much healthier. Another thing that I put on my little hair needs quiz is scalp balance, because sometimes I have the tendency to have an itchy scalp, which I know it doesn't sound cute, but it's just, you know, you need to have the right amount of moisture in your scalp. I do know that it's dermatologist tested, so it won't irritate your scalp. You can actually choose the fragrance as well as the fragrance strength, which I love because I tend to like milder fragrances. I don't like something too strong. So mine in particular, I tried a new scent this round. Usually I go for the pear, but this is actually the mango. I also chose the orange color, and the conditioner is blue. I like the colors together. And besides all of the fun stuff like fragrance and color, which obviously is great, but you do always just want to make sure that you're using products that are safe. Every ingredient in Function of Beauty products are tested extensively internally to check for the performance and safety, and they are never tested on animals. So it's 100% vegan, paraben, sulfate-free, cruelty-free. I definitely recommend it. I've been using Function of Beauty for almost 2 years now, and I mean, I think you can literally just go back to my old videos and see a major improvement in my hair. It just looks way better now. So if you guys want to try out Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner, it's their top-rated signature hair duo. You can get 20% off your first 16-ounce custom set when you use my link, which I will leave down below. You can also choose to deliver Function of Beauty on a schedule that you choose, so that you'll never be in that weird moment where you run out and you have to wait for new products to come in. So that's really convenient. And also, if you become a member, you can get exclusive perks like free shipping. Anyway, thank you again to Function of Beauty. All right, I'm gonna go get changed now. It's my chocolate outfit. Gotta have my bullet journal. I just got back from lunch and now I'm going to organize my stuff a little since a lot of my stuff is kind of thrown everywhere, and I feel like there's two types of people in this world. There's the type of person who like unpacks their stuff whenever they travel, and then there's the types of people who just like leave all their stuff in the suitcase. I definitely need to unpack a little bit in order to make myself feel like kind of at home, and I also just don't like seeing like a really messy suitcase in my place. So I'm gonna try to organize things a little bit, at least for the time being while I'm here. Oh, did I show you guys my Airbnb? It's just like this cute little guest house. Kind of small, but it's kind of like the perfect size for what I'm doing. I mean, I'm not here for too long, just a few weeks. So yeah, it's a guest house. The main house, the hosts of the main house are really sweet. She left some cookies when I checked in. Okay, let's organize a little bit. Alright, so suddenly it is evening. I don't know where the time went today. I got so much work done though. I had so many like emails and like bank stuff, payment things that I had to catch up on. So I mostly did that, like basically things that I needed to do all on my computer, which felt so good. Like, oh, you know when you have a clear email inbox, like that's just when you know your mind is at its clearest, personally. Anyway, I do have to pick up a C-stand from my friend Jessie because I'm going to be still streaming my Twitch streams from here in LA, and I didn't want to travel with a big heavy tripod or C-stand this time. Jessie has this ergonomic chair that I've been meaning to get.
It looks weird, but it's the most comfortable thing.
Like, I actually could sit like this forever.
Pretend you're typing again.
Wait.
It's like those.
Wheels on it.
Yeah, it like moves around.
Oh my
It's
God.
perfect. You gotta get one.
Wait, and like my back is up too.
She's
feel like
loving
I'm
this.
praying right
I
now.
literally best thing for meditation. Best thing for
Oh my
meditation.
God, I'm converted. Hello, this is
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Matter Ashley's YouTube channel.
Wait, do your Picasso? I like it. Picasso, I like it. This is Alex. Hello.
Oh my god, I love this.
Oh, thank you. My fellow Torontonian. Alright, so I'm at my photo shoot today. I'm not gonna actually, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek over here. We're doing some fun stuff with projector. I don't think the project will be announced by the time this video goes up, so I can't show you that much, but I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be really cute. By the time you guys see this video, I think you'll find out in about a month. So you don't have to wait too long, but just know that it's really cute. Like, really cute. Okay, I'm done teasing you guys.